Hello everyone, Dr. Anshu here. In this video, I am going to discuss three very interesting applications of deep learning. So number one, computer vision. Computer vision is the area of machine learning or deep learning where we try to identify images and videos. It can be detecting object in the image. It can be about facial detection. It can be also detecting some other features about an image or video. So for computer vision, one type of deep learning that has been very popular and successful is CNN or convolutional neural network. So you can use CNN for image recognition and other visual analytics or computer vision tasks. Number two, natural language processing. Natural language means the language in which we communicate. Natural language processing, or sometimes it is also called text analytics, is about understanding and processing natural language. So for natural language tasks, one type of neural network that became quite popular was RNN or recurrent neural network. And one variation of RNN, which is called LSTM, is giving even better result in terms of natural language processing tasks. So LSTM and RNN are two types of deep learning that can be used for natural language processing. Number three, creating artificial images and videos. So many of you have seen this very interesting application of deep learning where you can create an artificial video of a person speaking something which they did not say actually, or it may be of a person who doesn't exist in the reality, right? So for creating such images or videos artificially using deep learning, we use one type of deep learning which is called GAN or generative adversarial network. So these are the three types or areas of deep learning which are very interesting applications. So first, again I'm repeating, for computer vision, CNN or convolutional neural network. Two, for natural language processing, RNN or recurrent neural network, or LSTM, or LSTM means long short-term memory. And number three, for creating artificial image and video, GAN or generative adversarial network. So hope you found this video interesting. For more such interesting videos and information, please follow my LinkedIn page or subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. So thank you, take care, hope to see you again. Bye.